didn't start earlier, but still. Ugh, this girl really said, ugh, get me a pretty one. And make it fast, you. Just cover that one out. And I said, I'm A, ma'am, and I am recording, and I want to ask you, do you want a squishy? Anyways, I'm gonna watch SpongeBob until she replies. Bye. Anyways, I just got back from watching SpongeBob, and look at what she sent to me. I'm pretty sure she's a Karen, but she said, oh, yes, and sorry, I did not know how old you are. And she just sent this little emoji. I'm gonna say, it's fine. What kind of emoji and color? Oh wait, not emoji. Why did I say that? Squishy and color. Oops, I forgot to add something. One sec. And I just need to wait for her to answer. Also, do you like the way I did this? Like my profile? It's really cute, right? Anyways, I'm gonna go watch more SpongeBob. Bye. Okay, so she said a pink and blue and dark pink. Okay, we are able to do that. We're able to do that. She wanted a pig. Dang it, I used to watch an ad just to get the squishy. Okay. Boring. Anyways, so she wanted pink. Oh, for the last time, there's no pink, everybody. Where's the pink? There's no pink. What the fuck? Oh, there is pink. Why did I miss that? There is pink. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I was seriously just scrolling and like, there's no pink. And there's pink just right there waiting for me. And I'm just standing there like, wait, what? I thought there was no pink. But there is, apparently. Anyways, I'm looking for something cute. Anyways, let's see. Now she wanted dark pink. Let's see if she likes like this. I'm gonna see if she likes it like this. Pretty sure this is what she asked for. Yep. Anyways, I should ask for background. What background would you like, ma'am? What kind of background would you like, ma'am? We'll just wait for her to respond. Okay, so she said one cloud, please. Okay. Oh, wait, I forgot to say something. Coming right up. Coming right up. Let's do this. Anyway, so she wanted the one cloud. Oh, crap. It looked like it only had one cloud. What the frick? She's gonna love this squishy. Okay, choose your name. Oh, wait. I'm gonna ask her the name. Ask her name. What name for squishy? What name for squishy? You just gotta wait for her to reply. She said for me to do lol, and I'm gonna ask her, no, I'm not even gonna ask her. I'm just gonna put the name already. Anyways, let's see, lol. Oh, uppercase. Lol. And there. Ooh, it's so squishy. Your squishy is ready. It's not my squishy. I'm gonna go send it to that girl. So cute. Oh, this squishy is so cute. It's so satisfying. I can't solve this. Dude, are you dumb? Are you stupid? Is that person literal dumb? No, lipstick doesn't go to muscles. God. No, the brain goes to... Oh, God. This person will never be able to defeat this game. Well, why that basketball to... Oh, never mind. Let's gift it to her. Let's just do blue. Actually, no, let's do black like my soul. I'm just kidding. My soul isn't black, but you know, sometimes you just need to add blackness. I mean, I'm not being racist right now, but I'm black, so I'm not being racist. Sorry. Let's just go send the gift. Be right back. Anyway, guys, I sent her the squishy, and I'm gonna say, how do you like your squishy? How do you like your squishy? Oh, my phone's dying. This is what she says. I'm gonna say NP. Bye. My phone is dying. Oh, okay, bye. Well, I deleted her number. Now we just gotta wait for a new person. Anyways, I might download the app and all this stuff to my phone, but I have no idea. I mean, not my phone, my tablet. Okay, but you know, I'm doing it right now. See you guys next time.